All right, welcome back. My name is Omar, and this is the SMR and stretching for the combative athlete. All right, so back to our stretches. Today what we're going to focus on is the neck. Just to make life simple, I'm just going to call it the front of the neck, the side of the neck, and the back of the neck. A lot of muscles in the neck, so I'll just keep it very simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to stretch the neck. The neck is always in a forward position. In certain grappling sports, the neck is always pulled down. In striking sports, the neck is constantly being thrown back because of the hit to the face. So what we're going to do is we're going to stretch the neck. First things first, I want to make sure that I place my arm behind my back. Now the purpose of that is to keep my back straight. The thing I don't want to do is stretch my neck and be in a bad posture position. So first things first, arm back. Now I'm going to focus on the side of the neck first. So it's very simple. Once the arm is back, my head straight, I'm going to grab the side of my head and slowly pull to the side. Once I pull to the side, I want to create distance between the shoulder and the ear. So again, I want to drive the shoulder down and slowly pull the head to one direction. Now I want to hold for about 30 to 45 seconds, preferably 2 minutes. But again, if we don't have time, 30 seconds is perfect. Make sure that you breathe. Perfect. That's for the side of the neck. Now the front of the neck, a little bit different. I'm going to turn to the opposite direction of the shoulder that's behind me. I'm going to look up, and with my hand, I'm going to push my head backwards as I look upward. Now the goal is to stretch the distance between the bottom of my ear all the way to, or from the collarbone. So I want to increase the distance. Okay? Now the back of the neck, same thing. I'm going to look to one side, opposite side of the arm that's behind me. I'm going to look down, grab the back of the head, and slowly pull downward. Now I'm increasing the distance from the shoulder to the ear. So those are the 3 angles to stretch your neck. Again, you don't have to stick with those angles. You can also move the angle, move the neck. That goes into more dynamic flexibility. So today we're just focusing on the static stretch of the holding of a stretch position. Hopefully that helps, keeping these videos nice and short.